Hello and welcome, and before I start the painting I'll just quickly whiz through the colours. We've got ultramarine, cad yellow, Payne's grey, alizarin crimson, raw sienna, burnt umber, light red. The big large on Ranson 8 brush, and I'm using 15 by 11 watercolour paper. So let's get started with the big 8 brush and just some water just to lubricate the surface. Then I'll kick off with bit of alizarin crimson, ultramarine, reload the brush, a bit more down, below just to vary it slightly, touch more water, crimson, a bit more blue. I think I've picked up a touch of cad yellow there, that's a worry. I just want to try and get a lighter area down the centre. I might even just take it out, just leave that sort of lit area down there. And then I want this a little bit stronger now, so I just want that land there just to show up a little bit better, and then it will just soften off amongst all the damp parts of the paper. And it's just looking for sort of just distant bits of snow on the land, so I'm just trying to leave just little white gaps here and there, and that'll be the snow right in the distance. Some of this will be covered up. Before I do any more, I just want to tidy that up a little bit. Quick dry. That'll do. I just want to stop everything from coming down the paper. And I might just a little bit more. Let's just introduce a little bit of burnt umber into this. And then just got something going on in there like that. Across, just cutting up there like so, more alizarin, like a tree. Just pop that in there. Right, then in front of that, just want some trees now. So I'm just going to switch to the little rigger brush. I'm just going to go a bit of alizarin, a bit of blue, plenty of water, and I'm just coming up there now and just whacking these trees in. Now it's winter, so there's no leaves on the trees, so it's just going to be these twigs and branches. That's going to be one, and I'm going to stick another one to the left, right of it. And I'm just going to flick up, and it's going to be just some distant trees and things growing, a few bushes, and I'll just flick up here as well, just see what sort of effects I can get. Right, let's get back to the 8 brush. I'm just going to clean the brush, I'm just taking a bit of alizarin, bit of burnt umber. And then we've got like some bushes coming down there. Something like that, and then popping right in there like that. More alizarin, just mix up that there like that. And I think I just want it slightly darker on this left hand side. Let's just pop that in there like that, it's just darken so it's more silhouetted into this light. I need these trees to be a bit darker, so I'm just going to go over some of them. Bit of burnt umber, alizarin, ultramarine. Let's just darken some of this. And also this one here on the other side. Make one of them slightly taller. I don't like them the same height, just try and vary it slightly. Let's just get this flat against the easel. What I'm going to do, in there, I'm going to stick I like telegraph poles I do. I think they add a nice bit of something to the landscape, so I'm just popping something in there like that. And I'm going to have another one down there, and then another one sort of going down a hill just out of sight. I've done that in the wrong tone completely. I'm going to lighten that slightly. I shouldn't have done that with the eye brush. I should do that with the rigger brush. And another one down there like that. And then what I'm going to do, imagine the sort of cables coming there, across, across, and across. Something like that. That down to the base, it's just darken that a little bit. I just need to darken this section a little bit as well, I think. Just strengthen that again. Okay, I'm trying to find somewhere to put the figures, but it doesn't. I need to lighten this area a little bit, I think. So I've got somewhere to stick the little man. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wet it down there a little bit. I'll show it now, little man he's done. Before I do that, I just want a little bit more rigger work. So I'm just going get a bit of water on there, a bit of crimson, a bit of brown, a bit of blue. And just flick it up round there. Growing up there, all sorts of things. I don't think we don't like rocks in there. I don't think. No, I'm going to paint. I'm just going to paint straight over them. I have a few of those in there. Some growing in there as well. I think just. I don't think that's really added anything, to be honest with you. I'll tell you what, so let's cross that out. Let's switch to this big brush. Some darker sections in there. I'm going to start again with that because I want that quite dry. Just squeezing the water out on the tea towel. Let's get a bit of brown, a bit of blue. Back into that. A few little things popping up out of the snow. Darken that a little bit more. Well, let's get these figures in before I fiddle around too much. So I'm going for the smallest brush I've got. I'm just going into some light red. I'm just trying to get the scale now. How far away are they? So that's quite far away, that hill, I think. So I can put the little man in quite small. Stick his legs in. Just darken the colour a little bit for his legs. First leg, there's his second leg, there's his head, and then just in front of him, his little dog. From to walk on just so they don't seem just stranded in midair. Just grinding them a little bit. Let's get a couple of little birds. 1, 2, 3 little birds up in the sky. Little thing going down there. I think I'm going to call that one finished. So finally, I'm just going to stick my name down in the corner and call that one done. So let's see what it looks like with the names on it. So here's the painting in the main, so let's have a closer look at it. Starting with the sky, we've got alizarin crimson, ultramarine. Let's create this sort of very light purpley type colour. But I wanted a bit of lighter down the centre, so I took that out with a dry height brush. And in the distant land, you can't see any either side other than down this central section. You just leave. Well, see where I did leave just little bits of unpainted paper, just suggest that could be like snow tops, buildings, something in the distance. Then as a contrast to this light area, I wanted to get this in nice and dark. So starting with this left hand side here, just a few trees put in using the rigger brush, and then darken this section just to, like I say, contrast against the light in the distance. Did the same on this side, and you can see you get a sort of nice two-tone effect. You've got the sort of darker tones in the foreground, and then the lighter ones in the distance helps create that sense of depth. And then if you saw the previous painting, I put the telegraph poles sort of either side there, straight across. Looked a bit like London Bridge, just looked rubbish. I think this is a much better way of doing them. Just a big one in the foreground, and then they get sort of smaller and smaller and lighter in tone as they go off into the distance over yonder. Got plenty of white blanket snow here, and then you got penetrating through the snow these little bits of grasses and mud banks here and there. Maybe a few sweeping shadows might have made it look a bit more dramatic. And then two little figures, a man and his dog, walking off over the hill. 5 little birds in the sky, just completing the scene. So that's it for that one. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks as always for watching. You can catch more videos over on Patreon. You'll see the links in the description. All the paintings are for sale in my eBay store. So keep practicing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.